Welcome to this detailed breakdown of the Ulster Bank Student Credit Card. Whether you're completely new to credit cards or just curious about this particular option, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore everything from how the card works to what you should be aware of before applying. So let's dive in. The Ulster Bank Student Credit Card is designed for students who want to start building their credit history while managing their expenses. It's targeted at students over the age of 18, and you must hold an Ulster Bank student account to be eligible. The card comes with a credit limit tailored to your financial situation, generally starting low to help you manage your spending responsibly. One of the main advantages of this card is its relatively low interest rate compared to other student credit cards on the market. For purchases, the APR, annual percentage rate, typically hovers around 18.9%, which is quite standard for student credit cards. However, if you manage to pay off your balance in full every month, you won't pay any interest at all. The card also offers up to 56 days of interest-free credit on purchases, as long as you clear the full balance each month. But there are some disadvantages you need to consider. Like most credit cards, if you only make the minimum payments or let your balance carry over, you can easily accumulate debt. Additionally, there are late payment fees, and cash advances from an ATM can get expensive due to higher interest rates and transaction fees. Another thing to be mindful of is the annual fee, though waived for most students. Failing to meet certain criteria could see you hit with this charge. The Ulster Bank Student Credit Card is also good for online shopping, travel bookings, and emergency expenses. Plus, it's part of the Visa network, so it's accepted almost everywhere. That said, always be cautious with overspending. It's easy to rack up a high balance without realizing it. On the plus side, it offers added perks like fraud protection and purchase protection, which can come in handy if you're buying expensive textbooks or tech gear for your studies. But remember, these perks only work if you're managing your card responsibly. In terms of services, Ulster Bank makes managing your card easy with online and mobile banking. You can keep an eye on your spending, make payments, and even set up alerts for when your payment is due. It's a great way to stay on top of your finances while balancing student life. Now, let's talk about the cost. While there's no annual fee for most students, you could end up paying significant amounts in interest if you're not careful. Make sure you're familiar with all the fees, including foreign transaction fees if you plan to use your card abroad. And remember, cash advances usually come with higher interest rates, so avoid using your card for ATM withdrawals unless absolutely necessary. The Ulster Bank Student Credit Card can be a helpful tool to build your credit score, especially if you plan to apply for a loan or mortgage in the future. But the key to success is responsibility. Don't spend more than you can pay off each month, and always stay on top of your payments. So, is the Ulster Bank Student Credit Card right for you? That depends on how you manage your money. If you're responsible with your spending and keen to start building your credit, this card could be a great fit. But if you're not careful, it can quickly become a source of debt. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial tips.